Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we will be finishing up the transmission oil filter replacement on this Acura by installing the new Wix filter.
Now we got the new one, Wix 58129. Get a little dab of oil, put on that seal so it doesn't bind up, and put it in just how you took it out. You know, the filter wasn't on too tight, so remember, or take that into consideration while you're tightening it up. Just want to get to like a light German torque spec of Guden tight. Alright, so I actually found a 1-inch socket, and this one fits on it perfectly. Maybe not perfectly, there's a little bit of slap in it, but we're as tight as we need it. It's gonna be fine. It's probably a 24. And just good and tight, nothing super tight, it's nice and snug, and that's it. Now first we had the retainer with the pain in the ass screw, the long one. Perfect. Wasn't the easiest to line up, but got that bottom screw in. Let's hopefully get it threaded. Wrench, or sorry, ratcheting opening. Alright, bottom one is good and tight. Top one won't fit. Right here, put a little bit of lube on the seal just so it slides on in a little bit easier. You know how it goes, hopefully. Alright guys, that's it for the replacement on this filter. Really easy to get to. The rest is just a reassembly process for your intake. I will have another video for that, but I'm going to do a fluid drain and fill as well too right now. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned and check out my drain and fill as well. And I'll see you on the next hopeful video.